Subscribe now.
In the heart of Texas, nestled within a dense forest, lies Victoria's Black Swan Inn. Once a lush and romantic wedding venue, it now harbours a chilling secret hidden amidst its ancient oaks and sprawling grounds. The Manor, a grand Greek revival residence, was constructed in the mid to late 1800s on the very land where, half a century prior, 60 Mexican soldiers met their tragic end in the Battle of Salado. This grim history set the stage for the haunting that would come to plague the property for generations to come. The inn's long and storied past is punctuated by a series of prominent and affluent owners, many of whom were renowned in San Antonio society, but their opulent lifestyles belied the eerie presence that lurked within the manor's walls. Whispers of spectres and apparitions became commonplace among the staff, and tales of inexplicable occurrences began to permeate the local lore. However, it was the barn behind the grand residence that bore the brunt of the haunting. Once a bustling dairy farm, it now stood as the epicenter of the inn's paranormal activity. The restless spirits of the earlier occupants, including the Ripstein and Mahler families, seemed to linger within the time-worn structure, tethered to the mortal realm by an unresolved anguish that gripped their souls. Guests recount tales of ghostly figures drifting through the halls, their mournful whispers echoing in the silence of the night. The air would turn bone-chillingly cold, and the sound of phantom footsteps would echo through the once-hallowed corridors, sending shivers down the spines of even the most skeptical visitors. Among the most harrowing accounts is that of a couple who sought refuge in the inn during a storm-lashed night. As they lay in their chambers, a presence made itself known, haunting their every breath. Apparitions materialized in the gloom, their hollow eyes fixed upon the terrified couple, their murmurs filling the air with a palpable sense of despair and longing. Unwilling to remain silent observers to the haunting, the couple resolved to uncover the truth behind the spectre's tormented existence. As they delved into the inn's history, they unearthed tales of heartache, betrayals, and tragedies that had befallen the previous inhabitants. With each revelation, the spectral manifestation grew more agitated, their haunting cries reaching a fevered pitch. Armed with newfound knowledge and a resolute spirit, the couple sought to bring peace to the restless spirits that roamed the inn. They conducted a ceremony of remembrance, invoking ancient rites of tranquility and reconciliation that resonated through the very foundations of the estate. As their incantations reached a crescendo, a radiant light washed over the manor, banishing the shadows that had clung to its halls for so long. The spectral figures began to disperse, their anguished cries fading into the ether as they vanished into the beckoning light. Victoria's Black Swan Inn was transformed that night, its once harrowing spectre now a tale of redemption and liberation, a testament to the enduring power of courage and compassion. The inn now stands as a beacon of peace, no longer shrouded by the darkness of its haunted past, but instead imbued with a newfound serenity that welcomes all who dare to tread its halls. Subscribe to Mythos and Storyversum for more spine-tingling tales and captivating narratives that will transport you to realms of mystery and intrigue.